So the title of this video is how to get rich so fast you'll be annoyed of money. And this is the exact reason you haven't made money. You're clicking on videos like this thinking you're going to find some like secret code, some secret technique, which is going to make you a bunch of money. But let me tell you, bro, that is not a thing. There's 2 ways you can make easy money, and neither of them are honestly worth it. First one is you have to do something illegal. You can make a lot of money doing something illegal, but one day you're going to wake up, it's either going to be gone, or even worse, you're going to be in jail, and you're going to be wasting your time. You're going to be wasting your lifetime. And the only other way to get rich very, very fast is by getting lucky. I mean, listen, is it possible that you put your money in some random crypto that is like a meme coin and it just blows up and you make a shitload of money? It's possible. It's very low probability, but it's possible. Is it possible that one day you just win the lottery? It's possible, but it's very low probability. But you can never rely on luck, because luck is not something we control. It's literally called luck for a reason, right? Luck has always been a big factor in getting rich, getting to where you want to be, and all of that. But bro, when it's something that we can't control, why even talk about it? Like, yes, maybe someone was luckier than you and they, some things worked out, they had luck and they got to where you want to be earlier than you got to where you want to be. But it doesn't even matter, because you don't control luck, he or she doesn't control luck, and just thinking about luck makes your brain kind of weak. Now let's talk about how to succeed in any field, and it doesn't matter, like this works in every single field in the world. And the first thing is, bro, consistency. Now, how do you get consistent? You get consistent by building proper habits. And consistency beats everything, bro. Consistency beats luck. It beats talent. It beats motivation. Motivation, for example, is what a lot of you guys have, and you guys just stop because your motivation runs out. But if you got into the habit of doing things, no matter if you like doing it or if you wanted to do it, then you would be consistent. You would be seeing consistent progress towards your goals. You need to also understand the 80-20 rule, and this will really help you stay consistent. And what the 80-20 rule is basically saying that, bro, no matter what, 20% of your work will give you 80% of your results, and 80% of your work will give you 20% of the results. Now, that might be a little bit complicated, so let me explain it. 20% of the work that you do is going to give you 80% of the results. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I not just do 20% of the work and get 80% of the results? Because you don't know what that 20% is. So you have to do 100% of the work, and then you figure out what the 20% is, which will give you 80% of your results. Not everything you do is going to give you results, but to figure out what gives you results, you have to do everything. The results you're looking for are in the work you're avoiding. So if you're avoiding doing stuff, there's good reason for that, because that's probably hard for you. That's probably something that you lack. That's probably something that you should be doing. And most of the time, the work that you're avoiding is costing you the results that you're looking for. So do what you don't want to do, basically. And just understand, bro, you have to enjoy the process, And there's no such thing as getting rich fast. So pick something that you enjoy. Pick something that when you wake up every single day, you're like, I'm so happy to do this. Because if you're like that, bro, you're just going to enjoy life. It's not even going to feel like work. You just get up. My phone is slipping. You just get up. You do what you're doing. Even you might be a trader. You might be selling stuff online. Ooh, that Rolex looks good. But whatever it is, right? Do what you want to do and keep doing the things that you don't want to do, because that's where the success is, bro. I'm telling you. Go chase your goals, bro. Don't be on YouTube for too long, Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, just all of that. I've made a lot of different types of content, and this is the one I enjoy, me just sitting here talking to you guys on sort of like long form content. It just feels the most natural, and yeah, I've been enjoying these a lot more. So just let me know. Type in the comments what you guys want to see, just kind of ideas and all that, and I will see you boys in the next one.